There's turtle. You see the turtle? Hi, turtle. Look at the turtle. The turtle? Yeah, turtle. Turtle. Hi, turtle. Ay, hindi. You see the turtle? Hi, turtle. Hi. Turtle. See the turtle, baby? Huh? Turtle. Pagalawin natin yung turtle. Go, turtle, go. Go. Ah! Tatay. Tortoise, kaya ewan ko lang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the turtle. Ay. Come on, turtle. Come here. Where you going? Klaseng turtle to? Tortoise o turtle? Squirrel. Squirrel team. Ito may squirrels. Yan na. Ayun oh. Sa mga squirrels yan na. There's a lot of turtles. Kaya nga dito, ayun oh. There's a lot of turtles. Ibabalik nga natin. Kulit eh. Si bye-bye turtles. Ayun, small turtles. Si bye-bye turtle. Yan na si bye-bye turtle. Bye-bye turtle. Si bye-bye turtle. Baka bigla akong kagatin eh. Kagatin. Bye-bye turtle. Wow. Ayun. Back home na yung turtle. Oh, lumubog na. Ayun na yung ulo ng turtle, oh. Ang laki na isa, oh. Ulo ng turtle ba yan? Ulo ng turtle yun. Kalawet. Yan na. You see the ducks? Kwak, oh. Ang dami, oh. Daming furry duck. See the duck? Oh, daming birds. Oh. Yata. Ang daming birds. Say hi, Anna. You say Anna. Hi, birdie. Ah, birdie. Hi, birdies. Good girl. Okay. Ginaya ka eh. Paano? Oh. Dali. Oh. duck. You see the duck? Yana? See the duck? Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
What does the duck say? Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Right, quack, quack. See the duck, baby?
What does the duck say?
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Did you see the baby duck? Yeah, baby duck.
Baby duck.
Bye, baby duck. Baby duck.
Baby duck. Ah, ano yun? Ito yung baby duck. Baby duck. May fish pa doon, may fish oh. Dahil, ayun ulit ako. Hindi, may yata yan pa.
Ay, kaya nakikita ko na. I see the fishes.
Nakikita mo, ayun dami oh.
There's fishes over here. Look. I can see the fishes. Oh, there's fishes.
Pwede na nung duck.
Ayan, ayan.
Ano naman? Oh.
7, 8, 9. 9 ducks! Anak! That's many ducks. You see the fishes? You see the fishes in the water? Ayun, anak ko fish. Fish, fish. Oh my God! There's so many fishes. Pero ang liliit na yung pahulihin yan.
May malaki dyan syempre.
You see the fishes?
May turtle oh. You see the turtle?
Oh, there's a turtle.
Dami oh.
Saan?
Ayun yung turtle. May nakita? Sa bato? Ayun natin naman. Tama sa video. Ayun. Hindi kita. Ayun.
You see the fishes? Oh, the fishes are fighting. You see the fishes, anak?
Ano mo tawag sa fish pag marami sila?
It's full of fish.
Hindi. In fish station. Wow. Damn fish oh. Sarap yan, prito no? Ayan na.
Tilapia yata yan eh. Hi, fish. Hi, fish. Hi, fish to daddy. Hi, fish. We're just watching you. We're just watching you guys.
Ayan ang turtle. Uy, lumipad. Ang chicken, let's go chicken. Ay, tumalon! Tumalon ang bird! Tumalon yung chicken! Pluk, 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 pluk! Ayan ang birdie. Ha? Yan the bird?